Hello guys, Mehul here back in with another new video, and today I have another job searching platform. Now this is specifically for coders who work remotely, and why I am featuring it or I am excited about it because I was searching for like some kind of resource to find only remote jobs, because there are too many job searching platform already available, and different companies use different platforms to post their jobs. Like product hands also have a job section, but I was searching for some kind of job which will provide me remote access, like only remote accessible jobs, like the filter of remotely working. So this platform does the thing. So let's just get a overview of this platform. Okay, so they have kept a great name for this website, that is remotelyvcode.com. And here you can see a job list of, like, as this is for only coders, they have used monotype fonts. Yeah, monotype fonts. And as you can see, they have kind of categories you can search over here, and you have kind of categories also. Okay, like dated, post dated, uh, how much, and category of like neat, .NET framework, AI, Airflow, Android, Angular, Apex, Apollo client, AWS backend, BigQuery, everything is there. Okay, every language is there, I think. And React will also be there, obviously. React will be in a little bit down because this that starts with R. So here we have React JS. So let's just click on it and let's see how many jobs are available. Okay, so too many jobs are available right now, and one is from Dropbox as well. And as this suggests, all of those jobs are for remote work, like remotely accessible. Okay, see, remote from USA. You can see it here. Okay, and location, you can choose anywhere or maybe in India. Seriously, remote jobs for, oh, remote jobs for React.js developer also available in India for Postman. That is a quite big company, and Coinbase as well. So Coinbase is also big company. But yeah, they have the openings. So great, really great. But those are all full times. So I'm not searching for full time at all. So that's kind of job like you can find over here, and really great interface that they have built here, really simple. And if you click on any of the jobs, you can see the overview of the jobs, the criteria that they have posted, what will you do, what will you bring, what we offer, and stuff, kind of stuffs there. And you can directly click on apply from here, so it will take you the actual forum where you can apply for the job. So that basically what it does. Really great app, really great usage, right? And yeah, that's it. That's basically it about this whole website. And they have created it so, like, finely, so like, what, they have kept it simple. They have kept every essential things like categories, location, job types, and date posted, and you can directly search it from here as well. So yeah, great platform for searching for jobs, that is most specifically remotely available. So I don't know I will use it or not, like intentionally use it or not, because I have to. I am really skeptical about jobs, to be honest. So I will try it. I will try it, but yeah, let's see what happens and use it. Let me know if you liked it or not, and if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel and like this video if you like this video. Okay, and if you know about some of the great platforms like this, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below so I can feature them in my future videos as well. Now, recently someone have commented on my video that I made a useless video. Suppose he was expecting a tutorial, but man, I don't provide tutorials. Really, really, I don't provide tutorials. I avoid them because this is not a tutorial channel. I kept my video as short as possible just to give you the information. That's why I am just giving you the information, giving you the sign and signing off. There's nothing much to explain about it. Okay, so I hope you guys will understand. Don't make take my YouTube videos as tutorials, because I am no one here, like no one to teach you anything here, because that's not my motto of creating YouTube channel. Maybe later I will create some, but not for now. So that's it. That's it for this video. That's it for this all of that's it for all of this content. And bye for now.